Forbes has formally announced that XRP will reach $59,472 per XRP during the next 6 to 8 months, and Europe has formally confirmed and established the price of XRP at over $50,000. As everyone is aware, the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund have already established the price of XRP at more than $10,000. We've formally announced a huge prize in celebration of this wonderful news. As in the video, one lucky winner will receive over 500 XRP. Most importantly, go to the crypto alert, click on giveaways, enter your email, and click sign up. You can also subscribe and leave a message in the comment box. In addition to giving you fast access to all the most recent XRP news as it becomes available, that will automatically enter you into their weekly XRP contest for a chance to win over 500 XRP. Having said that, let's dive straight into the video. Thus, the price of XRP has been decided. Officially, Europe sets the price at more than $50,000. Ripple is currently integrating with the Digital Euro project to build a digital Euro CBDC on top of the XRP ledger, and the XRP coin has been officially certified for use in payments throughout Europe. The project intends to switch all payment transactions from the conventional euro to XRP. Not to mention that Europe declared that they would start accepting XRP payments in a matter of days. All of this information was confirmed by another article. Of course, in a recent video, Christine Lernegrad declared that the digital euro itself was about to commence its preparatory phase. The CEO and chairman also made this announcement. She is clearly the president of the European Central Bank, and she met with Michael Asbar, a Ripple advisor, to discuss developing the XRP ledger to the point where all of Europe can access it, and construct a CBDC on top of the XRP ledger for France and the Interdigital Euro initiative. Just pay close attention to this. Since we're only getting started, it's important to note that BRICS also discussed XRP in their most recent paper, stating that it's the greatest asset for digital payments. I want to briefly remind everyone to remember to subscribe to the channel. To receive all of the most recent news as soon as it is released, you should click the like button. Additionally, please share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the space provided below. We're also doing you all a favor. Everyone who took the time to watch this video is eligible to get something from us. Indeed, you are watching the video and you can get up to $100 in free XRP with us. This is done in collaboration with Uphold, the best XRP ledger exchange for enabling XRP purchases. Therefore, I strongly advise that you all register. Actually, you have to utilize my link in the description and sign up to receive free XRP worth up to $100. There is not much time left, so share this video with your friends and encourage them to join up by clicking the link in the description. In less than 5 minutes, you can claim your $100 and it will arrive instantly. Thus, you may easily take that $100 or up to $100 and use it to purchase XRP, another cryptocurrency, or just pay out your money via withdrawal. Let's go back and take a closer look at this video where you confirm that the price of XRP has been established at over 50 and that the digital euro is on the move. After all, it's free money, therefore I highly encourage it. The ECB's Governing Council gave its approval yesterday for the planning phase to begin. It will be a trip, and we will accompany the legislator on that journey. To ensure that Europe has the currency of the future, all European institutions will be participating. Cash is here to stay. Both cash and digital cash will be available to you. What does it mean to you then? It would be simple and free for customers to use anywhere in the euro area. Of course, the legislative procedure governs all of that. You will have the option of using digital or cash. You have a choice, euro. Just verified that Forbes did make a startling forecast in an article titled, "The New Bitcoin is XRP, and it's headed to $59,472, highlighting the fact that XRP will soar to that price. Naturally, it also verified that Forbes actually took it down after it was published. The truth is that XRP is gaining international recognition, even if they don't want you to know this. In actuality, the US established a cryptocurrency reserve that contains XRP, and businesses worldwide, most recently Amazon and Walmart, are joining the XRP ledger on a daily basis. Huge news is happening right in front of our eyes, and we're witnessing XRP create all of that money. It's predicted that billions and billions of dollars, even trillions, will enter the XRP ledger. Additionally, Elon Musk declared that he would add more than $104 billion to the XRP ledger. It is expected to surpass $600 per XRP. And once more, this is verified since Elon Musk is allegedly planning to add $104 billion to the XRP ledger through a significant relationship with PowerX Payments, the payment system that is thought to handle all of the funds. Indeed, with closer examination, it is proven that they are collaborating closely with Elon Musk, a collaboration that has the potential to propel the price of XRP to over $600. Elon Musk and the CEO of Ripple are basically going to support everything I'm saying. We'll also discuss the Central Bank of India, which recently published a video announcing that they are collaborating with Ripple Labs to start using XRP for payments. The price of XRP is expected to be between 50 and 60, as confirmed by Forbes in the European Union. This is quite bullish and shows you the true potential of XRP in the future as it expands to dominate the global payment sector. It's time to roll the clips. The transaction volume is extremely small, and the latency for a properly confirmed transaction is far longer than you would like. This is a fundamental problem with, say, Bitcoin in its current form. In actuality, it's not very good in terms of latency or transaction volume. Therefore, it might be helpful in resolving a component of the money database problem, which is, I guess, an accounting of relative commitments or a store of wealth. However, it isn't a practical money for daily transactions. Do you think the financial institutions will eventually adopt the XRP ledger? I can't speak to any particular cryptocurrency, but I do believe that this type of technology is an intriguing and likely useful defense against centralized authority. And this is unquestionably neither a support nor a rejection of XRP. However, I do believe that cryptocurrency, by definition, promotes individual liberty. As part of NBAD's dedication to customer service, we wanted our clients to receive the fastest possible service turnaround times. Our customers have approached us and asked us how we can enhance turnaround time and whether we can improve these things in terms of turnaround time. The payment process today can take 1, 2, or 3 days. At that point, we started examining ways to improve our turnaround times for the clients, and we began investigating blockchain technology and Ripple as a potential vendor. And so the entire concept began. Yes, the particular issue we concentrated on at first was figuring out how to link our branches. As a result, we have numerous branches and are present in numerous nations. For instance, when a customer pays using our National Bank of Abu Dhabi United Arab Emirates account, National Bank of Abu Dhabi Oman is used. How can that issue be resolved? And how can we return payments to the beneficiary in nearly real time while also improving end-to-end customer service and ensuring customer satisfaction? We chose the business case after examining our compliance, and all parties involved felt very at ease examining and linking the internal branches. And we conducted our pilot in this manner. In my humble view, creating a business case shouldn't be a huge deal. You must examine certain challenges and topics with which all of your stakeholders are comfortable. They are aware of the problem. They ought to be aware that it ultimately resolves a client issue. Additionally, they ought to be aware that it will help the company as a whole. Therefore, a definite return on investment is required. An innovation coefficient, as we refer to it, must